organized mama. I just got done planning the meals for the week. I hope it works out. What's the matter? I've been doing so good with meal planning because I'm not very organized at that. Anyways, all the kids are at school. I need to clean out my fridge. It's a mess in there, so I need to clean out the fridge. See if this little guy will let me. What a mess. As you can see, my fridge is in major need of a little pickup. I'm just going to do a little pickup, nothing major. And if you are new, my name is Veronica. I am a wife of 18 years and a mother to 7 amazing children. And on my channel, I like to share mom life, cooking, cleaning, organizing, all that good stuff. If you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
And look at the mess this baby made. He grabbed the walnuts and spilled them all over the floor and on the chair. And there it is, not super organized, but it's picked up and that's all that I need. That wasn't too bad. I just needed to get some stuff out of the way that was in there for a long time. All right, here in a little bit, we'll go pick up the girls and go from there. Bye. Are you saying bye? It's a little bit later now. Kids are back from school and they are having some snacks. Christian's got strawberries and he just had one of these little green bars. Huh, mister? Whoops. I'm giving this to you. And Ruby she's got cottage cheese right there and a little bit of yogurt and a sucker. And Elian is having some cottage cheese and strawberries. Thank you. And here's my snack, cottage cheese and some strawberries.
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening?
Alright, headed to take Esme to practice. And I need some water, so we're gonna go get water. Let's go.
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
I'll be back.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. Lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this where the happening?
About about 45 minutes before we go pick up Esme. I'm just gonna be out here with the kids, relaxing. It's nice, it's not too hot, it's not too breezy. It's just like perfect. And Ruby's riding her bike and Elian his little motorcycle. You asking Elian if he needs a push? No, don't. Because of your finger. Ruby.
He gets them second and gets them go to my dog.
I know, it's a little kitty. It's a kitty out there. I know, it's so nice out here. It's starting to look a lot like fall and it's starting to feel like fall. I don't know if I'm ready for fall yet. I love fall, it's my favorite time, but I don't know if I'm ready for it yet. I don't think I've sat down all day. It's kind of nice just to sit and relax. Did you have a good practice?
Yeah.
Your face is all red.
Because I'm tired, that's what it means.
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
And on these, I usually like to add a little bit of onion on top. But I'm not going to do that because I didn't chop any and the kids are hungry. And then add some cheese on top. Okay. And this is for the one kid. This over, all right, and there is my dinner. Enchiladas, red enchilada, cheese enchiladas, and I added a little bit of sour cream. Looks delicious. I wish I could have added rice and beans, but I didn't have it. It is late already, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.